This is Brian Wright, President of New Patient Group, and want to talk to you today about our mystery shopping program and specifically how it relates to our mystery telephone call program. And you want to talk about the ultimate in accountability, and whether you're running a dental practice, a plastic surgery practice, orthodontic, oral surgery, the list goes on and on. It is imperative, just like any other type of business, to have a highly trained team that is held accountable at the highest levels and to ensure that they are providing the best service for every single person that calls your practice. And part of your new patient experience has to concentrate with how that new patient telephone call is going. And if it doesn't, you are going to lose opportunities. And if you have telephone training as part of your practice, which every business should, the ultimate is having a mystery call program and as long as they're professional mystery shoppers like ours are, and it's important for those shoppers to be trained to understand the type of doctor you are, to make it customized specific to your practice. And when those callers call, those calls are audio recorded and sent directly to you. And that way, from a business owner standpoint, hey, are my employees following the protocols they're being taught? Are they not following the protocols they're being taught? And whether that telephone training is coming from our practice management program or another company, it's important that you have the wherewithal, the insight that these calls are able to provide you, because you don't know back in the back when you're being the doctor and doing what you're supposed to do, there are missed opportunities that happen every single day at the practice. And we see it all the time coming from all kinds of different practices and different doctors telling us, hey, I need more new patients, when many times they're getting enough new patient telephone calls. The front desk, though, is dropping those opportunities. Maybe a patient asks how much Invisalign costs or how much laser surgery at a plastic surgery office costs. Whatever it may be, they ask the price, and the person answering the telephone doesn't know how to overcome that and put value to get that patient through the door. And every time that happens, that is thousands of dollars of lost opportunities, because don't look at it as just a lost opportunity for that particular patient. If you're able to get that patient through the door, treat them at a high level and close them, that patient could refer 3 more patients a year to you for the rest of your career. So it's not just the one patient. Look at that as multiple patients every single time one patient is lost over the phone. So now, what do you get with the mystery telephone call program? And first of all, you get customization. You get professional shoppers that have been trained on the type of doctor and practice you are, so they're asking the right questions. And that is the first thing, because unless, again, it's customized to your specific practice, what's the point? So it's a customization to your practice and the type of doctor you are. You get 3 audio recorded mystery telephone calls every single month that are emailed directly to your inbox. So now you have a complete overview of everything going on in your practice, right? You have to have that to run a highly profitable business. And this is just one more piece to that puzzle to allow you to know, are new patient calls, are they being dropped? Are we not turning those into new patient consults? Or are we? It's also a great way to bonus your employees by listening in and make sure they're following the protocols and the teachings of whoever's doing your telephone training. And so that's what you get as well. And that analysis is sent with those calls that scores your employees on a scale of 1 to 100. It basically scores the employees on how they handle that new patient call. And again, you're also going to get our new patient telephone training as part of the mystery call package, and the 3 steps to overcoming patient price increase, because we do a lot of mystery calls around the country. And 99% of the time, when a patient asks a front desk employee, how much does something cost? If you're a dental practice, how much does a crown cost? If you're an orthodontic practice, how much does Invisalign cost? Plastic surgery practice, how much does laser surgery for my face cost? We do those questions all the time, and the responses are, they either answer the question, which is the last thing you want to do, is say, well, Invisalign costs $5,000, because that patient then hangs up, calls the practice down the street and says, hey, how much do you charge for Invisalign? Your buddy down the street charges $5,000. Can you beat it? And of course, they're going to say, yes, come on in. And so the last thing you want to do is quote the price, but you also don't want to do what the other half of the people do, is say, I can't quote you a price. We need you to come in so we can see you. you need to be able to say that to the patient, but say it without saying that. And there's 3 specific steps that, when followed and followed properly, work at an extremely high level. So that is what these mystery telephone calls are going to tell you, is are your employees capturing your new patients and getting them into new patient consults? Are they following the telephone training? Are they able to overcome price increase to your practice? And it holds them accountable, and it allows you full disclosure on what's going on at your practice at all times. So we look forward to you to joining our family. So again, Brian Wright, President of New Patient Group, and we'll see you soon.